good place to rob. Alright, we're gonna find some good money here. Alright, where's that money? Oh yeah, we're gonna get some good stuff here. Oh yeah, oh, we found it, Oh my goodness, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. No, air. Okay, let's try. 1. Oops, we double it. There we go. We got it. No, we gotta go. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing show and tell video. Today we are showing you this safe. So guys, it comes packaged nice and protected, so that is a big plus. They give you a nice manual. Inside the box, you're going to have these little legs. I believe that's what they are, double-sided pads. I may be wrong. You're going to have a special box here, and we'll explain this box later. And you're going to have different keys as well. So we'll explain all these keys a little later as well. So this is the safe. Now this safe, this is just dirt lines, so that will clean up. This is the handle for opening the door. You have one key slot here. You have another key slot right here. Digital display. So this is going to take batteries. And this little box that they provide you, let's say the batteries die and you can't access the digital display to unlock it. Now, here's the thing. You can use your keys to open this up. So what you do is you place the one set of key in here and you turn it. You then go ahead and take your long key. All right, here we go. There we go. And you slide that in. And now you can open it up. So you can use those two keys to open your safe. So if the battery's dead or whatever, you guys can still use both those keys. However, if you don't want to use both of those keys, let's say you don't want to keep two keys around and you want to use the passcode, you will still need this key with the passcode. So it's not like someone could just get your passcode and open it up. You'll still need this key. What you'll do is, if the battery dies on you and you can't enter your passcode, and let's say you have these keys somewhere hidden away or far away or something, and you want to use this, you could simply put batteries in this box right here. So you put batteries in there, and then what you do is you connect this underneath into the port right up through here, just like that, and it will then draw the power from this little box, which then will allow you to enter your code and unlock it with just the code and just this key. So two options that you guys have right there. I like the quality. The quality is great. This one definitely has a little weight to it, so that is a plus. And so again, guys, if you have just this key, you can't unlock this. You can't open it up. Even if you turn it, no matter how you turn it, you cannot access it. So you either need this key and this key, or this key and entering your passcode. So now let's take a look inside. You have these locking mechanisms right here. If you go ahead and you slide this open, this is where you're going to put your batteries in. So place your batteries inside here and then slide it down just like this. And that's going to give power to your access panel to enter your codes. So that's how you're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to keep that in there until we get some batteries. It looks like everything is AA batteries. So 4 AA for this and then 4 AA for the battery box itself. This is a spare box. Now, do not keep this inside here, okay? This goes somewhere that you can access it for emergency backup. So it looks like Oh, it looks like underneath there's also a pin that goes down inside there. So let's go ahead and take out the foam piece there. All right. So this is inside the box. You have a nice shelf. You also have a nice covered bottom. Let's pull out these pieces here. We don't need them in there anymore. So very nice inside. Now you guys probably saw there's also another lockbox, and that is what these keys are for. So even if someone would get inside, if you have these keys hidden somewhere else, someone would then have to try and break inside there as well. And we can go ahead and lay that down. So it's a lockbox inside of a lockbox, basically. Now, you have a couple options. Also, you can hold keys on here. So you could keep these keys in here like this for that lockbox if you trust that nobody's going to get access to your safe. By the way, here's a zoomed out view of everything. So very nice. It's a big safe. Like, it doesn't look that big, but it is a big safe, and it's definitely heavy duty. And this brand, I have another one of their safes, and I've absolutely loved it. So yeah, you can keep your keys in there. I recommend you keep them somewhere else. So let's say someone does steal this, or whatever, for whatever reason, then they're gonna have to try and break into this. Now, it's not gonna be hard to break into that, but it's just gonna be an extra hassle for them. By the way, guys, there is also 2 holes on the back end here, and that's for mounting. So if you want to mount it on your wall or on the floor, depending on how you position it, you can do that, and that will make it even harder for someone to steal it. By the way, this shelf is adjustable. I don't know if you guys can see the bracket lines, but you can adjust this shelf as well. So if you want it higher or lower, or if you want to completely remove it, if you got a lot of items you want to stack and you don't need a shelf, you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and show you the key code and all that fun stuff. Now, for resetting the code, once you put the batteries in, it's going to beep and make some sounds. There's going to be a button on the back here, right there. Press that in, and that's going to reset your code. Now enter your code that you want. So enter 4-digit code and then the hashtag #. Now, when you enter your code and everything, it's going to unlock, but it will not let you access to inside unless, again, you have this key and you turn it to this position. Now, if you keep it that position, let's see, you press the hashtag and now enter your code. Okay, now it will open. So I guess you don't have to have this key in here. If you leave it on the unlock position like this and pull the key out, you don't need the code then to enter. I personally like doing this, so I like to keep the key in like this and then use it, but you don't have to. You can unlock it like this, press this, enter your code, and it looks like you probably can have much more than 4-digit code if you want. You enter your code, then you can open it up without the key. So there's a lot of different ways you can go about doing this, so that's just going to be up to you guys. But yeah, I like this a lot. So displays on here too, and I'm sure if you guys check out your manual, you can customize it and do even more things with this. Set, maybe it almost looks like the date and all that fun stuff. You can also set, let's see, I think you can set an alarm as well. So you can enter privacy mode by pressing this and this. I believe that's what it said. So let's see. Yeah, it shows the little thing up there. So let's see what else features. Again, I don't recommend keeping any of these keys inside. You can have the box inside key inside there, but these you want to hide somewhere. That way, if, you know, it's easy access. Okay, for the alarm, it says wake up the panel, bell on. So, bell on. Okay, so couple different things. So when you press the 0, it says bell on. I think that means the alarm, and it has to get hit pretty hard. I don't know how hard. Obviously harder than that for it to trigger. Oh, there we go. So let's see. And now you have to enter your right code to turn it off. And then when we enter the code, it turns it off. So let's go ahead and try this again. So if we enter the wrong code, let's try this. I think, oh, there we go. So if you enter the wrong code too many times, it will trigger it as well. When you enter the right code, it will. So if the wrong code's entered, if it's hit hard enough, so basically if someone tries to like jam at it, it will trigger it. So just more options in here, but overall, very nice, safe, guys.